Hey everyone, friends! Today on the channel, I'll show how to sell items in Roblox. So let's go into Roblox and click on Create here. From Creation, we go to Items here. These are things for our character. Next, we need to upload something here. Some item, right? Here. After that, we enter. Now click to upload something here. Let's upload our t-shirt, name it, and click Upload. Let's do it this way. Here's my t-shirt. To put it up for sale, click on the three dots. Click Open in New Window. Now to sell it. Click on it with the left mouse button, then click the Sell button. Enter the price and click Publish, and it's for sale. You need to pay 10 Robux to publish the item. See you later.